Well guys, I did it. I am joining the e-bike craze, and I just purchased what I think is the cheapest bike you can get in the US. Yes, I went to Costco and I purchased a Jetson Bolt Pro, and this is an unboxing video. And actually my son and I are gonna unbox this bike and we're gonna show you what it's like. Hey dude, come in. So this box right here, first of all I ordered it online.
It's a box inside of a box.
Yes, it's a box inside of a box inside of another box.
Wait,
and
a third box?
Maybe.
Okay.
And it was 350 bucks. But it was delivered to my house in this box. If it depends on where you are, if you can find it in the store, it may be a little bit cheaper. Maybe as low as $299, so $300. So let's open this outer box. Right, dude?
Yep.
And let's get this bolt box out of it.
For Christmas, I have experience with destroying boxes. Yep, it's a box inside of a box.
Can you move the other box out?
Yep. Get rid of this thing. Don't need this
Wall.
anymore.
Yeah, so...
No need for that.
And obviously, this is not a sponsored video of any kind. I just wanted to join this craze and figure out what electric bikes are all about. Okay, so, by the way, this box is about 4 feet long by 2 feet high. Let's lift it out. Let's see if we can lift it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Push down. Again. Down again. Okay.
That's honestly kind of smaller than I expected.
It's a pretty small bike. Can you grab that other box in there? There's a little box inside the box.
Oh, there is a little box inside here. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So we got another box.
Okay.
8 more boxes. Who knew?
So put it to the side. So check this out, dude.
Okay.
It has little plugs. It has a little kickstand.
This is a very small bike.
Dude, so do you think I'll be able to fit on top of it?
I don't even think I'll be able to fit on it.
Okay, can you hold this?
It looks like... Wait, if anybody watching,
Yeah.
has seen, like, the, Star Wars with, like, Rey.
Yeah?
This looks like the little robot that's going like, help, 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 help.
It could be. It could be, dude.
Looks a lot like it.
So technically it's supposed to come with tools, but there are a few zip ties here.
Yeah.
So really, in theory, no tools should be needed. Please don't... Oh, okay. I thought you were throwing tools at me. Okay, so it's got a few zip ties. So let me try to get the zip ties in. Okay. These are the zip ties.
Oh, we still haven't checked what's inside that box.
It's probably little parts and tools.
Okay.
Okay, so now I may need to cut one of these zip ties. So in theory a knife may be required if you're using it carefully. Okay. Alright, so you got the seat, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So in theory...
Paper. Should we read it?
Just leave it there for now. Don't take it off. Yeah, so for $300, it's a pretty good deal, I think. Okay.
Or paper.
And of course, there are bikes that are about 10 times this much or 20 times this much that are electrified.
Why do you even buy it if nobody's gonna fit it?
No, it's supposed to be for most people. Even me, who is 6'2" and 230 plus-ish pounds.
This thing is so small.
Okay.
I was expecting something bigger from that box.
Well, it's supposed to fold out and become a bigger bike. Okay, so
I don't see how that's gonna happen.
Let's keep going, dude. I think we need pedals. We're missing some pedals, lights, and etc. This bike is supposed to have up to about 15...
I think I see how it can transform right here. Maybe.
Well, no, it transforms just in the handlebar.
Oh, okay.
It's supposed to have a range of about 15 miles, 1.5, which is not too bad. So here we go, some tools and pedals and a charger. That's a rear fender, so that goes over the wheel.
Oh, like right here?
Somewhere like that, yes.
I feel like it should be more bent.
And this is a charger. So can you do this other pedal first and we'll on the other side?
I can do that.
And we have a key that they provide a tool to actually tighten it. Maybe we need to do it with a key. But if we're gentle...
Well, if you just spin the pedal, it won't do anything. You need to spin this little screw thing.
So here we have a little tool that we could turn. And...
Oh, here's this.
Hold on, yeah, we need to lift that up.
There's a red banner on it.
Stop, hold on.
Huh?
Here, can you tighten your pedal?
Yes.
Yes, so this handlebar comes up.
Man, honestly, I thought when you buy a bike, it just comes in with a full bike.
Well, most of them come as one piece, but...
Well, I guess it's cheaper because you have to put it together.
Yeah, that makes it cheaper, and also the shipping is cheaper.
That was loud.
So we're getting there. So it comes with brakes, front and rear, pedals, so if you run out of juice, of course you can pedal. It has a bell, it has a reflector, it has a little light, and then it has a rear light, and it has a rear blinking light. It's supposed to. Can you keep this?
That's really loud.
Yeah, it is really loud for some reason. Okay, put it there. Okay, and of course it has a little throttle, a little indicator for the battery.
Now it's seat time. We want this pretty straight. How high do we want it to be?
As high as possible.
Oh, as high as possible? Okay.
Yeah, so put it in a little bit more. Okay, got it. Is that pretty stiff? No.
No, it isn't.
Here, hold the charger, please.
Okay.
Okay, let me tighten this. Turn this a little bit. And make it tighter. So, how do I look?
Ridiculous.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, so I see I have a throttle. I have brakes that I can also adjust. Right here. So what do you think, dude?
I think that this is pretty insane, because at first it looked pretty small, now it's kind of looking bigger.
A little bit bigger. There's a nice handle. The bike weighs about 41 pounds. A little bit more with packaging. You can lift. I think you can... Well, no, you cannot make this taller. You can turn this. You can tighten this bell. Here you have a power button. Here you have a battery indicator. Here you have a throttle. Like I said, about 15 miles of total range. You have a rear fender.
Which we're about to put on.
Yep. Then we have the pedals, brakes. Yeah, so for 300 or 350 bucks, this may be a really cool deal. And yeah, it should take about 4 hours to charge, right, Max?
Also, I see a little problem because it's like a little guy that doesn't want to come off.
Yeah, I think it's actually a nut with some thread locker.
It is a knot. No.
So we'll use the tool for that. So that's basically what it looks like.
Well, without the fender.
Yeah, and so in the future I want to do a few tests with it. Actually take it out, see how it works, and then also use different ways of charging it too. And it's supposed to take about 4 hours to charge. So there you have it. The cheapest e-bike in the country as far as I know right now. And of course go back to tflbike.com for all the latest news, views, and real world independent and honest e-bike and motorcycle reviews.